Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I really enjoyed our discussion last week on the first 2 days of creation as it's written in Genesis. So let's do another very popular Bible memory verse this week, and it speaks of the Lord's provision for us, His protection, the peace that we gain from knowing the Lord, and ultimately salvation. And of course, that's Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. That is a great chapter in the Bible. Please comment and let me know what Psalm 23 means to you. Now for our fire practice today, I just want to show you the two different ways that you can flint and steel. One is to put your char cloth up on top of the chert, hit that chert with the steel, and then them sparks jump up and ignite the char cloth. The other way is to take your charred punk wood, put it down inside the pine needles, and then you're going to hold your steel here and cast sparks down on top of that charred punk wood. So let's start off with the char cloth. I always like to tear it in half to expose some fibers. And if I don't think I have enough fibers exposed, many times I'll tear another piece off and stack them all up. Now, you're going to put this edge about 1/16 of an inch behind the shirt's sharp edge. And once again, I'm using this steel that I used the last time I showed you this technique. This is a steel made from just a little 8-inch Nicholson file. I'll leave a link to a playlist that shows you how you can make your own very sparky steel out of a Nicholson file. My favorite Bible verse is Hebrews 4:12. For the word of God is quick and powerful, sharper than any two-edged sword, piercing even to the dividing asunder of soul and spirit, and of the joints and marrow, and is a discerner of the thoughts and intents of the heart. And that is so true. The more you read the Bible, the more you'll see how true that is. That should have ignited it. Let me turn these over. Maybe I don't have the best of charred punkwood. All right. I do not believe in crushing charred punkwood, but you can break it and expose some pristine fibers. It's the best way I can describe it. So let me just break it in half, not crush it. Just break it in half. Now let's try that again. And a heavier piece of chert actually works better than something this lightweight. Because if you think about it, something this lightweight is gonna bounce off of the steel before it gets a chance to scrape away any sparks. If your steel is heavier and your chert is heavier, when you hit it, it's gonna slide down, it's gonna scrape off more sparks. But we can make this work. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.